Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to invest on ETFs step by step. Start by opening a brokerage account and funding it. Then research ETFs by asset class and expense ratio and match them to your goals. Next, decide your allocation and set a regular contribution plan. Use limit or market orders to buy shares and enable dividend reinvestment if desired to compound growth over time. In this video, I will explain how to invest on ETFs step by step. Begin by filtering ETFs by index, expense ratio, and liquidity to narrow options. Review top holdings and sector weights to ensure diversification fits your strategy. Consider tax efficiency and distribution schedules when relevant, and read the fund prospectus for key risks. Finally, rank your finalists and pick the ETF that best aligns with your time horizon and risk profile. In this video, I will explain how to invest on ETFs step by step. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. On another note, I use an Owala water bottle during long market sessions to stay hydrated and focused. Check the description for the product link and other deals. And now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to invest on ETFs step by step. Fund your account and choose order type, entering ticker, share amount, and price limits as needed. Consider using recurring buys to dollar cost average and reduce timing risk. After purchasing, enable reinvestment and track fees and dividends. Periodically review allocations and rebalance if shifts exceed your tolerance to keep your plan on track and aligned with goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.